November 10th, 2025, Capital Connector Celebration Day. Welcome to a new era of joyful activation. Hello everyone, welcome to Morning Coffee Time with ChristinaMelodyGroup. Welcome friends, partners, and visionaries. Today is November 10th, and every 10th of the month, we celebrate a Capital Connector Celebration Day, a monthly tradition that honors those who move capital, spark transformation, and elevate our community of excellence. This is your invitation to become a Capital Connector partner with Melody Group, where every referral unlocks career rewards, joyful recognition, and legacy grand impact. How to become a Capital Connector partner with ChristinaMelodyGroup? Join the 2025 Melody Group version 2.6 referral program. Refer investors to premium multifamily acquisition. Earn up to a 2% commission on funds raised. Receive branded recognition, spotlight session, and payout within 48 hours of funding. Whether you activate 1 million or 1 billion, your referral earns real rewards, and your name becomes part of our legacy. What we celebrate? We celebrate the result you delivered. We celebrate investor you activated. We celebrate joyful milestone reached, and the vibration of excellence that fills us all. This is more than a program. This is a movement, a celebration, a community of joy, legacy, and transformation. Join us for Coffee Time with ChristinaMelodyGroup Session 15. It's on November 15th, 2025 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. We will celebrate the winners, spotlight the Capital Connectors, and welcome new members into our community of excellence, a space of positive, joyful vibration that lifts you up every single day. Welcome to Melody Group. Welcome to legacy. Welcome to joy. Let's race together. Let's celebrate together. Welcome and thank you. What we celebrate? We celebrate the result you delivered. We celebrate investor you activated. We celebrate joyful milestone reached, and the vibration of excellence that lifts us all. This is more than a program. It's a movement, a celebration, a community of joy, legacy, and transformation. Welcome, join us for Coffee Time with ChristinaMelodyGroup Session 15. It's on November 15th, 2025 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. Hello everyone, welcome to Coffee Time with ChristinaMelodyGroup Session 15. It's on November 15th, 2025 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. Get your Coffee Time passport. Unlock our nationwide OffMarket deal room pipeline. Step into the deal room, learn, grow, and celebrate with us together. Welcome, join a community of excellence. We have been here waiting for you. Thank you and welcome.